Okay, ma'am.
Can you see something on your screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is your 75 times 75. Okay, this is your traditional method which you applied to calculate 75 times 75. And the sutra
Yes,
is
ma'am.
called by one more than the previous one. This is Sutra of Vedic Maths, and this is the English version of the Sutra, but we have all the sutras in Sanskrit. Ekadikena
Okay, ma'am.
Purvena. This is a sutra in Sanskrit. In English, we call it as by one more than the previous one. Now see, I have written here traditional method and I have solved this one. And you can see this is little time consuming. Okay, this method is time consuming.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but now I will teach you how you can do this calculation with the help of Vedic method. Now see,
Okay, ma'am.
75 and 75, you can see it here. The unit digit is 5. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
So whenever we have any number whose square you have to find and the number is ending with digit 5, ending with digit 5 or ends with digit 5, the calculation will be done in this way. 5 times 5 is
25.
25. And this 7 here, next number to 7 is
8.
8. So 7 into 8 is?
Yes.
56?
56.
Yes. So see the answer. 5625. We have got the answer. And this also, this was a traditional method which we apply in our school, in our exams. And see this one, we have got the answer in, I think, less than 10 seconds. Isn't it? See 75 into 75. So trick says whenever we have any number ending with digit 5. So first last two digits will be 5 times 5, 25. And the unit digit get this tens digit will get multiplied with the next number and it will give you 56. So it is 5625. Can you tell me the answer of now 65 into 65?
65 into 65, right, ma'am?
Apply the same. No need to write in notebook. No need to write in. Just tell the answer mentally now. I have told you the trick. 5, 5.
5 5 are 25.
And
6 are 42.
Yes, 42. So answer is 4225.
225.
Okay. So you can do the calculation now without pen and paper. Okay, one more example. 45 into 45. Give the answer quickly.
5 5 are 25. 5 are 20.
20, yes. Correct? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this was the first trick. So you can do the calculations. You can see it here. We will not apply now time consuming methods. We will apply Vedic method. This is our Vedic method by one more than the previous one. So we took one more than 7 and we multiplied, we got the answer. Okay, now see the next question which was there in your quiz. 676 into 999. See, this is our normal method. With normal method, 20 seconds not possible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now see the Vedic method 676. How many nines here?
3 nines.
3 nines. And how many digits here? 3.
3 digits.
Okay, so this trick is applicable when we have number of nines and number of digits same. And the trick says by one less than the previous one. So that means 676, you have to take its previous number. What will be the previous number? Yes, very good. 675. Okay. See now the first 3 digits are coming same of this answer. Now the last 3 digits we have to do now. See, I'm writing something above 676. 9, 9, 10. So we just have to subtract this 676 from 9, 9, 10. What is 9 minus 6?
3.
3. 9 minus 7?
9 minus 7, 2.
2. 10 minus 6?
4.
4. Now see the answer. Same answer we have got it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is it magical or not?
Yes, ma'am. Magical.
Magical, na? See, if you have to do this calculation, you will apply this method. You multiply this number by 9 3 times, and then after long addition, long calculation, you will be able to get the answer. But if you know this shortcut, this is called AF9 LF10. This is our Vedic math shortcut. All from 9, last from 10. So whenever we have to multiply any number by the same number of 9s, we apply this trick. First, we subtract 1 from the number 675, and then we will subtract the number from 9, 9, 10. So in this way, you can calculate. Okay, tell me the answer of this one now quickly. 785 into 999.
784.
Hmm.
9, 9, 10 on the above.
9, 9, 10 above. Yes.
9 minus 7, 2.
Hmm.
9 minus 8, 1.
Yes.
10 minus 5, 5.
Correct. So see the answer 784215. And you can check it from your calculator also. Same answer will be there. And see now this calculation and this calculation both are same. And you can amaze your friends also. You can just ask them 785 into 999. They will start solving it in the notebook, but you will be able to give the answer. And interesting thing is that you can give the answer from left to right. Okay. Mentally, this 9, 9,
ma'am.
10 you
Yes.
can do. Okay. Now come to the next question, which was there in the quiz. All from 9, last from 10. This is the next trick. I told you in the previous question also. See, if you have to subtract this 7,788 from 10,000, we will apply this method, borrowing method. Okay. This method, you know, traditional.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is borrowing method. But now
Yes.
I will tell you without borrowing how you can do this one. See, how many zeros here? Vikash, tell me how many zeros?
4 zeros.
4 zeros. How many digits?
4,
4 digits. So when we have number of
5
zeros,
digits.
where no zeros are 4, number of digit, this number, in this number I'm asking. Number of zeros and number of digits
Oh,
of the number to
ma'am.
be subtracted. If it is same, we can simply apply our AF9 LF10 trick. Okay, now ignore this number and just do the subtraction. Okay, see it here, 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 7, 2, 9
2,
minus 8, 1,
2,
and 10
9
minus 8 is
1. 10 minus 8, 2.
okay. So see the answer now. Without
ma'am.
doing any borrowing, we have got the answer. Okay, now quickly tell me the answer of this part. 1000 minus 453. Now focus on 453 and do mental subtraction of 9, 9, 10.
9, 9, 10. 9 minus 4, 5.
Hmm.
9 minus 5, 4.
Hmm.
10 minus 3, 7.
10 minus 3, 7.
547.
Yes, this will be the answer of our question. So you can apply this trick to do the similar questions. Okay, next now, unit digit concept is another trick. 94, 96. Okay, so can you see any pattern here? Vikash, can you see any pattern here? Okay, I'm giving you the hint. What is the sum of 4 and 6?
10.
10. Okay, so pattern here is sum of the unit digits is 10. Okay, and the tens digit is same in both the places. So if we have any multiplication of this type, so the trick says first you multiply, this is sum, this is the pattern here, sum is 10 and the tens digits are same. The trick says first you multiply 6 and 4. 6 into 4 is 24. And what is the
24.
next? 9. Next number is 10. So 9 into 10 is 90. See the answer
90.
now? 9024, 9024, correct answer. Okay, so this trick is applicable
Yes,
where
ma'am.
we have tens digits are same and unit digit sum is 10. I'm giving you one more example. 43 into 47. Do it now. You can give the answer from left to right. 4 into 5.
21.
4 into 5, 20. And 7 into 3.
21.
See the answer now. So this trick is
2021.
2021. Okay, you got the trick now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, solve this also quickly. 38, 32.
3 3s are 9.
38, 32. Vikash, tell me the answer from left to right. 3 next number is